Welcome to challenge number 6. Here is the question. A, B, C, D, E is a 5-digit number formed from the digits 1 to 9 such that A less than B less than C and E less than D less than C, while A, B, C, D, E are distinct. Find the number of such 5-digit numbers A, B, C, D, E. Let us look at the conditions first. A should be less than B less than C and E less than D less than C. As you must have observed, C is the highest number among A, B, C, D, E. Because C is the highest number, A, B, D, E are less than C, and because all these 5 digits are distinct, the minimum value that C can take is equal to 5. So the possible values that C can take are 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Let us put C is equal to 5 and look at the possibilities. The possible values that A, B, D, E can take are 1, 2, 3, 4 in some order. We will see that order a little later. Let us look at filling up D and E first. Out of 4 numbers, we have to select 2 numbers. That is possible in 4C2 ways. That is equal to 6 ways. We are not considering any rearrangements among these 2 numbers. We are not considering the permutations, but we are considering the combinations. The reason is E is less than D is the condition. Well, now that D and E are filled up, we are left with filling up A and B. We have 2 numbers to fill up 2 values A and B. This can be done in 2C2 ways, which is equal to 1 way. So the total possible values for A, B, C, D, E when C is equal to 5 is 1 into 6, that is 6. Let us now consider a similar case when C is equal to 6. What are the possible values? Now the possible values for A, B, D, E are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in some order, satisfying the given conditions. Let us try to fill up D and E. Out of 5 numbers, possible numbers, we are choosing 2, which can be done in 5C2 ways, that is 10 ways. Now we are left with 3 numbers to fill A and B. So select 2 numbers out of the 3, which can be done in 3C2 ways, that is 3 ways. So when C is equal to 6, the possible values of A, B, C, D, E is 5C2 into 3C2, that is equal to 10 into 3, 30 ways. Initially we have seen that C can take the values 5 to 9, and we have seen that when C is equal to 5, the possible ways is equal to 6, and when C is equal to 6, the possible ways is 30. Extending the same logic, when C is equal to 7, we have 90 possible values. And for 8 and 9, it is 210 and 420 respectively. So the total possible values for the 5-digit numbers A, B, C, D, E satisfying the given conditions is equal to sum of all the possible ways that we have just seen. That is equal to 756.